Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you where to find and how to manage sound settings on Oppo Reno8 Pro. To find and manage sound settings, go to Settings app, then go to Sound and Vibration, and now I'm gonna get you through all of these settings. The first one is the silent mode. You can enable it to silence ringtone and notifications. The next one is do not disturb, which will silence notifications, and you can also set some exceptions to it. For example, don't mute notifications from your family. Then volumes, and you can adjust various volume bars for media, ringtone, notifications and alarms, and when you adjust it, you'll hear a preview of the loudness. Then you can change ringtone and default notification sound like that. There is many different available to choose from. Then you can enable vibrating on ring and vibrating in silent mode. You can adjust vibration intensity. Click on haptics and tones to adjust sounds and haptics. And you can adjust more advanced settings here. And that's all in sounds and vibration. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.